Hi, this is John Morgan with the latest video tip for 2020 design.
The power of the tab key. What happens if I can't select something on a floor plan, or I can't select, let's say, the workspace to be able to create an elevation? So right now, you'd like to create an elevation, but every time you click, it simply highlights a cabinet or the molding or a wall cabinet or the countertop, okay? You'll see that I have a piece of molding right here that's highlighted in blue. If I let go of the mouse, if I hit the tab key, you'll notice now that the base cabinet's highlighted. See the base cabinet's highlighted? If I hit the tab key again, my countertop is highlighted. If I click the tab key again, that's actually highlighting my wall, which means if I come up here and say add elevation and we pop back down our elevation, you'll see that it drew an elevation of that wall even though I never clicked on the wall.